Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're someone who's always on the lookout for products that can save you time while still delivering bold, vibrant results, then stick around because today we're talking about Kiko Milano's Water Eyeshadow in Light Taupe. This shimmery, blendable beauty promises to be versatile, offering a formula that works both wet and dry for customizable looks. Let's get into what makes this eyeshadow unique. Kiko Milano's Water Eyeshadow comes in a compact powder form, which at first glance might seem like your average eyeshadow. But the secret is in its texture. It's designed to be applied wet for a more intense color payoff, or dry for a soft, buildable effect. The finish is shimmery, giving your eyes a radiant glow without being overwhelming. It's especially great for those who prefer a more understated yet luminous eye look. So how does it perform? I've tested this eyeshadow both wet and dry, and I've got to say, it's impressively versatile. When applied dry, the color is soft, making it perfect for a subtle wash of color across the lids or a base for a more dramatic look. But when you add a bit of water, it really amps up the intensity. The formula becomes almost creamy and smooth, giving you a rich, metallic finish that's great for evening looks or special occasions. It's also really easy to work with, blending beautifully into the skin without any patchiness. I love how it feels lightweight, so even if you layer it, it doesn't feel heavy or cakey. The blendability is definitely a major plus for this product. There are a few things to note though. While the formula is generally smooth, I did find that it could get a bit crumbly when applying it dry, especially if you're not using a firm brush. It's not a deal breaker, but it's worth mentioning. Additionally, while the color is beautiful, the pigmentation may not be as vibrant as some might expect from a shimmery shadow. If you're looking for something with maximum intensity, you'll need to apply it wet or with a wet brush to really get that pop. Now let's talk about value for money. At the price point, this eyeshadow offers a solid product. The versatility of being able to use it wet or dry adds a lot of value, especially if you like to switch up your eye looks depending on the occasion. For those who are looking for a high-quality, multi-purpose eyeshadow without breaking the bank, Kiko Milano definitely delivers. If you're considering alternatives, there are plenty of other shimmery eyeshadows in the market, but Kiko Milano does stand out in terms of its dual-use functionality. Other brands might offer similar shades, but not with the same level of versatility. As for build quality, the packaging is straightforward and durable. It's a standard compact with a decent mirror, which is a nice touch for on-the-go application. It's not the most luxurious packaging, but it gets the job done. In terms of longevity, the eyeshadow holds up pretty well throughout the day, though you might need a touch-up if you're wearing it for longer hours or during hot, humid conditions. If you've ever tried Kiko Milano's customer service, you'll know that they have a reputation for being helpful, but I haven't had the chance to directly interact with them about this specific product. Still, based on past experiences with the brand, I'd say you're in good hands if any issues arise. If you're looking for a budget-friendly alternative, the Wet n Wild Color Icon eyeshadow singles offer a similar texture and pigmentation, but at a lower price point. It's not quite as blendable as the Kiko Milano, but it's a solid choice for those on a tighter budget. To wrap things up, Kiko Milano's Water Eyeshadow in Light Taupe is a great option if you want a versatile, high-performing eyeshadow that can adapt to your needs, whether you're going for a soft daytime look or something more bold for an evening out. It's not perfect, but its blendability, shimmery finish, and ability to work wet or dry make it a solid addition to any beauty collection. If this review helped you decide whether this product is right for you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you won't miss any future honest reviews like this one. Your support means everything to us. Thanks for watching. If you've tried this eyeshadow, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. We'd love to hear your experience. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.